What's going on, Pro Cutters? Back at the Four Seasons, and here's what we got done today. You can see I've got my pipe going up into there, and now I've got my 2-pole breaker for the HVAC and a breaker for the outlets in there. And then when we come around back, and you notice I had both of those breakers turned off still. So I've got my 3 outlet wires over there temporarily tied in, but I need to get a box under there. And then I need to run a wire over to tie this one in. And I'm going to put an exterior outlet out here on that wall in that box to tie that in since I've got it. And then I added the fender washers to the condenser unit for the mini split, so that's good and secure now. And I've got my 10 gauge wire out here ready to be hooked up, and then there's a hole drilled up there where the power to the head unit and the gas lines and the drain line will come down there and tie into here. And so now I can call the HVAC company, get them guys out here at their earliest convenience. Then we'll have heat and air inside the Four Seasons room. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.